Okay, so I'm here trying to fix my blown over okra from the hurricane. It's all blown down here. And I'm actually already started with these two. How I'm doing it is taking a handful of this topsoil, and I'll show you with this one. See how it's bent over? I'm lifting it back up. I'm just plopping the topsoil, and then I'm pushing it down in really good with my fingers. Just trying to work it down in there. And then I have leaf mulch here. Taking me some nice leaf mulch. Actually, I got to do it to this other one too. Scoop of leaf mulch. Nothing can have too much mulch on it. It just builds up your soil anyway. And then I'm going to take, I have this tree mulch here. I have nice big piles of this stuff in my yard. I'm going to take a pile of the tree mulch, put that around there too. Pat it down. And it seems to be standing them back up. I mean, we'll see in a couple days. It's a test run. So yeah, I'm just doing topsoil, leaf mulch, and then tree mulch. And I'm going to go through, work the full day at my regular job. I'm going to go through and try to save all this eggplant now that I'm home from work this afternoon. So, yeah. And then I'm going to go out there and try to save maybe some of my pigeon peas and other stuff that got blown over out there. Anyway, I'm Melissa. I'm out. Recycle, reuse, and repurpose. Okay, so it worked. The okra is all standing back up again. It looks pretty sad. And hopefully in a day or so it will perk back up. But yeah, my little mulching and topsoiling helped. They're all standing nice and straight. Yeah, maybe not perfect, a couple of them, but pretty darn close. I'm not complaining. It's hot and they're up. So these okra actually are really good. They've been bearing a lot of okra, and I'm grateful to have them back up again. And I will look, there's already some here, still on here. One over there, I see. Nice little okra coming, little crooked okra. But it's been actually very, very tasty. And oh, look at this, that's sad. Oh well. That was actually the fruit part. Look at all that okra going bye-byes. So yeah, I mean, I'm grateful. It's all standing up now, so what I did helped. Melissa, I'm out. Recycle, reuse, and repurpose.